Right, we go. Finally got this from the fragrance shop. Come on, let's pull it down. Beep. It's a mouthful, yeah. And then yeah, we get the receipt and just check it. Yeah, that's right. Anyway, yeah. That's gonna be inside. Jean-Paul Gaultier Elixir Male. We've got this like wrapper. It's like down there. So I'm just gonna rip it. Ready? That was absolutely perfect. Ready for the crinkle. No, this is just like a wrapper. I wish it was actually like printed on things, but oh well. I keep the wrapper as well. Right. Oh, it's so like textured. Yeah. Ready? 3. Oh, for fuck's sake. Bro, it's so perfect. It's like got like this like brown, dark red kind of thing. It's even got like a red carpet thing as well. Oh my god. Look at this little bum. Oh, there's PP. Anyway, we got the choker. Ooh! Oh shit. Yeah. And then got this like plastic here. Don't know. Well, sealed anyway. That's what it's like. It's just to like secure things so you don't accidentally like press it. So yeah, loose fluid. Alright, this is a big bottle compared to my head. That's actually like really big. Well, I'm big anyway. Anyway, this is like the normal size of hand, and this is how big it is compared to a hand. So that's like a whole palm. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's see the atomizer. If we and if you can just try, I'm gonna spray it at the camera, but oh. Oh, that smells so good! Oh, that's so like, wow. Like, look at that. Isn't that just like so perfect? Chef kiss, that is. Right, we're not gonna do like a fragrance on paper test. I've done this before, I think. But yeah. Shopkeeper let me take a bit of these. Not really shopkeeper, but you know, the employee. So let me just spray some. Dry up a bit. Oh, such a sexy smelling. Oh. Oh. I banged it on the fucking door. Ew! Anyway, let's do a wrist test. So the skin basically. This is my first time trying this. I mean, I've tried it on paper, but ages ago. That's when I first discovered this is my fragrance. So, but I haven't tried it on skin because the shopkeeper just said they're not really allowed to give it to people. Fair enough. It's a very big bottle. It's expensive. Well, not really, but fair enough. So this is quite good as well. Right, first I can smell the mint. Smell like a few tonka beans. A bit of vanilla. A slight tobacco. It just smells so good. Or it just like heat it up a bit. Anyway, I'll check back later to see what it actually smells like. So yeah, when it actually like dries up for a bit. Oh, I can smell the more vanilla now after I dried it up. Oh. I think that's like, I love the bottle design as well. It's so unique in a way. Like if you look at like Dior Sauvage, like it's just like some goofy bottle. Like it almost looks like call it. Let me just find something that's really similar to it. I can't find it. Anyway, yeah, it's really good, this one. I'll give you an update. Oh, I've got like gold shards everywhere. Is it like glitter? And it's just like losing paint a bit. Whatever. Not about the bottle really, but I do like the bottle. I'm gonna put the choker on him. Hopefully don't like mess my whole bottle up, because it's my like first design of fragrance. Well, not really, but my first wanted designer. But yeah, for this one, what I'm gonna do is like put the lid on top of it. Oh, that's why I keep on getting metal shards everywhere. But anyway, just like do that. I am going to leave the top, like the bottom bit open, like just this, because like if I end up like crushing it, like when I first opened it, I went and I knocked the bottle over onto the floor. Risky, but yeah. So it's just gonna be like a dust protector. And that's it from today. I'll probably give you an update later on, but yeah, quite like this. For now, it's a 10 out of 10. But I reckon when I get to smell like it's getting vanilla now. The actual thing, when it dries up, it'll be way more better, like vanilla. At the minute, I can only smell like mint and stuff. So yeah, bye.